Today we will study the Roman numbers. We have been using the Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. This is not the only system available. One of the early systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. For example, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. It is also used for classes in the school timetable. So let's see some rules for the system. The rules for the system are: if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Like 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 10 plus 10 becomes 20, 10 plus 10 plus 10 becomes 30. So, second rule is a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. Third rule: if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. For example, as you see V1 means 6 in Roman numbers. It will become 5 plus 1, because when we talk of the symbol of smaller value, that is written to the right of a symbol. So 1 is written to the right of V. So it gets added and it will become 5 plus 1, 6. Then again 1, 2 times 1 is written to the right side of 10. So again it will be added and it becomes 10 plus 2, 12. Next, LXV, that is L is 50, X is 10, and V is 5. So it will become 50 plus 10 plus 5. Next rule is just similar to this rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. For example, XL means 50 minus 10. L is greater but X is smaller. So it will get subtracted. 10 will get subtracted from 50. So 50 minus 10 becomes 40. XC. XC in this, C is greater, that is 100, and X is 10. So again 10 is subtracted from 100. So it becomes 90. And the last rule is the symbols V, L, and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, what does this mean? This means V, L, and D are never subtracted. They are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. Okay. So, what can we do? We can subtract. 1 can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L, M, and C only. Okay. So let's see. So following these rules, we get these Roman numbers. Like 10 becomes X, 20 becomes double X, 30 becomes triple X, 40 XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 L double X, 80 becomes L triple X, 90 becomes XC, 100 becomes C, 200 becomes double C, 300 becomes triple C. And following the same rule, we get the numbers till 10,000. So 500 is D, 1000 is M, 1500 is MD, and double M is 2000, and triple M is 3000, 4 times M is 4000, 5000 is written as V and a bar over it. This bar means a symbol of 1000. So it becomes 1000 over 5 becomes 5000, and 10,000 is written as 10 cross over a symbol of bar. So it becomes 10,000. 10 multiplied by 1000 becomes 10,000, and 5,000, 5 multiplied by 1000 becomes 5,000.